Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces, water sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and their intentions, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see. First we will see your person current feelings for the month of March. So Pisces, your person current feelings. So Pisces, your person current feelings. Under the deck, the Magician. So, your person undergoing some tower moment. Maybe they're thinking about the tower moment which had happened between both of you. For some, you both are in separation. For some, you both are in no contact situation. There is some separation I am seeing here. So, yeah, right now they're undergoing some tower moment. They're thinking about the tower moment. Right now, your person undergoing some tower moment. And they're guarded up right now. And they're thinking about you a lot. Even though they're guarded up, they're thinking about you a lot. Because due to tower moment, they're guarded up right now. I think one person invested in this connection a lot than the other person. And the Chariot is here. Yeah, they want to take things to next level, but very slow moving energy. Cancer, the person involved in this connection could be very slow moving, because they are in so much confusion still what to do, what not to do, because due to tower movement, they're scared to move a first move towards you. That's why they're taking it very slow, but still there is some movement. Chariot, yeah, they're thinking about to make a move towards you, but very slow moving energy. Yeah, your person thinking about you a lot, but they're undergoing some tower movement. And Nine of Wands energy, they're thinking but guarded up right now, but they will make a move towards you after this phase, but it is very slow moving. And under the deck, the Magician, maybe your person right now manifesting career, money. They're in this energy, they want to manifesting you back. That's why they're coming to you slow, because they want to manifest. Yeah, communication, lots of communication. Maybe they are waiting for your communication. They're manifesting you to communicate with them. Yeah, they're manifesting energy. They're in manifesting energy. They're manifesting your calls, messages, and they're manifesting you come back to their life. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, and they're missing you. They're undergoing this tower moment right now. Their feelings towards this connection and towards you, and yeah, they're manifesting you back. They want you back. So let's see their intentions towards you. Nine of Cups under the deck. Yeah, you are their wish fulfillment, and definitely they are wishing for you. They are wishing for this connection. So their intentions, let's see their intentions. Some cases they will do, and some cases it depends on your situation, because these are intentions. So let's see their intentions towards you. So Pisces, your person intentions towards you. Intentions means actions. So every action depends on time frame, situations. Okay, even though it is this monthly reading, maybe some of you, maybe your person will take action in April. It depends, because every situation is different, every energy is different, every person is different. Okay, this is general, not particularly regarding one person. That's why it's time. So let's see their intentions towards you. Pisces, your person intentions towards you. Their intentions towards you, Pisces. Wow. Under the deck, Knight of Cups. Yeah, they want to come back to you. if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, I think you are in no contact situation for some, because Four of Swords energy is here. They have so much love. If you are in separation, they want to come back to offer this energy. Again, this is very slow moving energy, Pisces. They have so much love for you. Knight of Cups energy, but slow moving. So let's see their intentions. Two of Wands, first card. So this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, but they are thinking about you 24/7. All the time they are thinking about you. Pisces, yeah. You are on their mind 24/7. Even though when they're working, when they're whatever, you are on their mind. They're thinking about you a lot, day and night. And Four of Swords energy. Right now, they are not talking to you because they want to heal their self. They have some past hurts, past wounds. Maybe you both, there are some fightings between you and your person in past. They want to heal those fights, those issues, those hurts, whatever. That's why they're undergoing some healing meditation process. That's why they're not talking to you, but they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. And Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person putting a lot of efforts in this connection, but one person is always taking, not putting efforts. So that's why maybe the Tower moment, whatever was happened between both of you, but they're thinking about to offer equal give and take. Maybe in some cases they giving so much, but you are giving less. So that's why they are thinking about a lot. That's why they're thinking about this equal give and take. I think they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they're taking it very slow, to be frank. I think maybe for those case, if you are the person putting a lot of effort, Pisces, they're thinking to offer this. And another case, if you're person putting a lot of efforts, they're thinking about why you are not putting so much effort in this connection. They're thinking about that way. That's why I think they're only thinking they're undergoing some healing process. So I am not seeing any particular action towards you, to be frank. But even though there is some communication chances, because they are manifesting. Okay, so in near future you will be see some movement through communication, through message. Maybe you will communicate them because they are waiting for you to come back. And the Chariot, but very slow moving energy. Even though they will come back to you, it will take some time, because Knight of Cups is very, very slow moving energy, because they have to heal their self before coming towards you, Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer especially. So let's pull some cards from universe. Outcome. Yeah, Page of Wands is here. One person is immature in this connection. And one person is younger than the other person in this connection. There is some age difference. Ace of Pentacles with Page of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands. And Queen of Pentacles. Under the deck, Five of Wands. Maybe there is a lot of drama going between you and your person right now. Maybe some issues, some disturbances between both of you. But I think you are very giving. I think your person may be very giving and loving person. One person in this connection is very giving and one person is immature. But I am seeing this relationship is going to be next level, the outcome, because Ace of Pentacles with Six of Wands. You both want success in this connection and it is coming. But you have to be patient, because patience is the key in this connection. Right now your person undergoing some spiritual, maybe meditation, healing. That's why it is taking some time. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. What are the messages for you? But long-term commitment is coming in this connection. One person is successful in career-wise, popular. Maybe your person creating more money this time. They're focused on their career. See how the cards are correlated with each other. So a time for healing, meditate and contemplate, and adjustments are required. See, healing. I already told you. Definitely a time for healing for your person. Maybe you could be. I think it's your person intentions means they are undergoing some healing. They have to heal their self before giving love to another person. They have to heal completely and meditate and contemplate. If you have any issues, you have to be also do meditation and heal yourself, and adjustments are required. Yes, because there is a lot of drama going between you and your person, there are some adjustments are required in this connection. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.